Hello and welcome to my home. What accent was that? I feel like I'm on some weird lifestyles of the rich and famous, except I can barely rub two goddamn nickels together.
Help me, I'm poor.
One of our very own handstand trainers, Vlad, is gonna come by and perform? I don't know, what is the proper phrasing for a sound bath? I don't know. We're gonna take a sound bath together. That sounds weird. I'm gonna open up my handstand app, go to book trainers. Now it's gonna pull up everybody that's available in my zip code. And I'm gonna search through and see, oh, Vlad, he looks interesting. I'm gonna start booking, honey. He's gonna get a notification saying that he's been requested for the sound bath session, and as soon as he confirms, I'll know that we're good to go. Bathe me, sound. Bathe me. Oh. Say hello. Oh. Ah. It appears Vlad has confirmed the sound bath. Let's go. Handstand. Hi.
Hi.
Are you Vlad?
I am Vlad.
We're gonna go up onto my roof today. Is that cool? No, sorry. Where are you from again? You're Russian?
Belarus.
Belarus. Teach me a Russian word.
Привет.
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 That's Italian.
You look like spaghetti.
I immediately went to that.
Spaghetti. Здравствуйте.
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 Do you know Putin?
Okay, are you ready for the magical pillow?
I'm ready.
Magical eye pillow.
Ooh, the eye pillow. Poops this morning. Will this help with that? Please give me better poops.
Namaste.
I'm gonna stay here all day, mother. Thank you, Vlad. Shake your hand.
Official
That's
shake.
what we do. Handstand handshake.
Спасибо.
Thank you. I feel very relaxed and centered. I loved when we were walking up. He said it was like I was like, what can I expect? I don't know what this is. And he's like, have you ever had the massage for your body? And I was like, well, yeah, duh. And he was like, this is like massage for your brain. First of all, my Russian accent is amazing. I'd like to give myself credit for that. Second of all, that's what I was thinking about the whole time. I was like, massage for my brain, massage for my brain. So what made this so convenient is that I was able to book this easily through the Handstand app. What's exciting about this is that we are going to be adding this into our search feature shortly, so you'll be able to search for a sound bath specifically. I dare you to try something different like a sound bath. I cannot recommend Vlad highly enough or any of our other amazing handstand trainers. Good night.